school can perform.
Well, just days before schools reopen, many 2019 KCPE candidates are staring at a bleak future because of lack of money to fund their secondary education. It is usually a situation that sees many brilliant minds either not exploring their full potential or wasting away and losing hope. Well, man in Embu has taken it upon himself to help needy children have a fighting chance by providing them with education. Our reporter, Christian Kanja, with more details.
To success. For one to have a real chance at professional success, employment and a career, a secondary school education is essential. University education should be the icing on the cake that packages a job seeker. Tim Muli, a surveyor, says he grew up poor and has always wanted to support children who are helpless and would otherwise not have access to the new age basic need.
And when I grew up really poor. And one of the things that I wanted when I left Kenya to go to the United States is to support young kids that don't have parents and kids that cannot support themselves through school.
He set up the Muli Kids International in 2009 to attain this goal. The institution aids underprivileged children join secondary schools after completing their primary school studies.
We give a full 4-year scholarship from Form 1 to Form 4. And we target the kids that are not able to help themselves, a single parent, or the kids that really cannot afford. The parents are poor, and without our support, they would otherwise not go to secondary school.
The sponsorship initiative is located in Malikini Village, Mbeere, Embu County. The program began with 10 beneficiaries. Many alumni from the institution have since gone on to join various universities in the country.
When they tried, I was selected, and the scholarship paid for me the school fees since Form 1 up to Form 4. Then God helped me. I managed to get a B+. Then I joined more university. Though the life has not been so easy, there have been some challenges there and there.
My father, the only parent who is just poor, could not raise anything. We did fundraising so that I could join the university. We have been doing fundraising every now and then, until now, even the last semester.
Muli is now calling for support from the government, non-governmental organizations, and well-wishers to help more young people attain higher education. Kirsten Kanja, KTN News.
Elsewhere, hundreds of traditional believers from across